Now begin adjusting the cap holder. Adjust the cap holder according to the size of the cap. Different caps come with different cap holders. This cap is too large now and needs to be replaced. You need to unscrew those 4 screws to replace it. Cap holder replacement is complete. Now begin adjusting the metal plate at the head of the track. The purpose is to prevent 2 caps from being too close together. It needs to be slightly lower to press down on the cap behind it, but it shouldn't be too high to prevent the cap holder from hitting the metal plate. After making the adjustment, test whether the cap can smoothly enter the cap holder.